Good evening, dear students. Now I want to discuss one important question from JEE Advanced 2025 Paper 1. This is from Organic Chemistry. The reaction sequence given below is carried out with 16 moles of X. The yield of major product in each step is given below. The product in parentheses. The amount in grams of S produced is. Now, here one reactant given X and reagent sodium triether followed by hydrolysis. So now here sodium triether means it is a Wurtz reaction. So we have to take 2 moles. Now 2 moles. We can take 2 moles. So bromine actually it is Wurtz, it is a Fittig reaction. Okay, 2 moles haloarenes. Here one protective group is there. Here one protective group is there. So presence of triether. Presence of triether. So which compound is formed? Biphenyl. Biphenyl derivative. 2NABr eliminated. So which compound is formed? Biphenyl. Biphenyl. So this is the biphenyl derivative. Now followed by hydrolysis. H3O plus followed by hydrolysis. Now you can break this bond HOH. You can break this bond HOH. You can break this bond HOH. Hydrolysis. This protective group terminated as ethylene glycol. So 2 moles ethylene glycol. 2 moles ethylene glycol removed. Then you will get gem diol. Which compound is formed? Gem diol. Gem diol. Also same. Gem diol. Which is formed gem diol. So gem diol. So this gem diol is unstable now. So water eliminated. Gem diol is unstable, so that water eliminated. Unstable, water eliminated. Then we will get this compound. So CHO, this compound. So now this is P. So the starting one is X. 2 moles of X. This is the P. So this is getting as 100% yield. Understood everyone? P. So now when it undergo reaction with NaOH heat means it is a Cannizzaro reaction. What is this? Cannizzaro reaction. This is Cannizzaro reaction. So in Cannizzaro reaction, without alpha hydrogen containing aldehydes are involved. Here one aldehyde oxidized, another aldehyde reduced, CH2OH, reduced to CH2OH. One aldehyde oxidized, another aldehyde reduced. Now followed by acidification or acidic hydrolysis, that COO minus Na plus is there na, it will be protonated as COOH. COOH. This is alcohol. Now this is Q. This is Q. What is this? Q. So this is Q. So it is formed as with 50% yield. 50% yield. Now this Q undergoes decarboxylation with soda lime. NaOH plus CaO. Decarboxylation with soda lime. Now this carboxylic acid is removed as CO2. CO2. Now we can get this compound. We can get this compound. Clear? We can get this compound. So this is R. What is this? This is R. This is the compound R. So I hope everyone understood. This is R. How much percentage it is formed R? This is also 50% yield. This is also getting as 50% yield. 50% yield. Now when this R reacts with PbR3 in the presence of ether, diethyl ether, this is the solvent. Now what happened? This alcohol will turn into alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. So CH2Br. CH2Br. This is the compound T. This is the compound T. So it is also formed as 50% yield. How much? 50% yield. Now finally this compound T is reacts with sodium hydride in diethyl ether solvent. Sodium hydride. Sodium hydride. So now Na plus H minus sodium hydride. So now in the presence of diethyl ether, this hydride ion can replace this bromide ion. Now which is removed? NaBr eliminated. NaBr eliminated. Which is eliminated? NaBr eliminated. NaBr eliminated. Then that CH2Br will turn into CH3. So which is formed? CH3. CH3. So this is the compound S. This is the compound S. It is also formed as 50% yield. Understood this reaction sequence? So once observe, first Fittig reaction takes place. Means Wurtz reaction, Fittig reaction, biphenyls are formed now. That is a Fittig reaction. Means it is like Wurtz reaction type. Now followed by hydrolysis, that that protected groups eliminated as ethylene glycol. Then gemdiol is formed at room temperature only. That water eliminated, you are getting so without alpha hydrogen containing aldehyde type compound is formed. So biphenyl at ortho positions, two aldehyde groups are there. So it will undergo Canzero reaction. So Canzero reaction, one aldehyde oxidized, another aldehyde reduced, followed by protonation. That COO minus Na plus will converted into COOH. That is Q. Next, decarboxylation with soda lime. Next, alcohol will be converted into alkyl bromide with PbR3. And finally, treatment with sodium hydride will give S. So first step 100% yield, next remaining all steps 50% yield. So now here once observe 2 moles alkyl bromide, 2 moles of X. So once observe here 2 moles of X. So 2 moles of X, 2 moles of X will give 1 mole P, 1 mole P. 2 moles of X will give 1 mole P. Is it right? 2 moles bromobenzene will give 1 mole biphenyl. So 2 mole X will produce 1 mole P. Now in the question 16 mole X given. 16 mole X given. For 16 mole X, how many mole P formed? How many mole? Just observe cross multiplication. So that is 8 mole. How many mole P formed? 8 mole P formed. Understood? So now coming to here, 8 mole P formed. Where is this? Is 8 mole. 8 mole P formed. Now 8 mole P. P will give 50% yield of Q now. So 8 mole will give 50% of Q means 4 mole. 4 mole of the yield. 4 mole. Similarly, Q will give 50% yield of R. That means that 4 mole will turn into 2 mole of R. Again 50, so R also produce 50% of T. The T how many moles formed? 1 mole. How many moles formed? 1 mole. Again T also will produce 50% S. Then that 1 mole will produce 1 by 2 mole S. 1 by 2 mole S. So dear students, everyone clear? So finally how many moles S formed? Half mole S formed. Clear? Half mole S formed. Then here what is the question? The amount in grams of S produced is. So then here how many moles of S produced in grams? So now weight of S, that is equal to mole into its gram molecular weight. Mole, how many mole? How many mole? 1 by 2 mole. 1 by 2 mole. So 1 by 2 mole. And its gram molecular weight. This compound, its gram molecular weight. Its gram molecular weight. You can calculate, you will get 168 grams. So now 168 grams. Then here answer is 84 grams of S formed. How much amount of S formed? 84 grams. So now what is the answer? 84 grams. 84 grams. Answer is 84 grams. So this is the procedure. This is the procedure. So many important reactions involved in this reaction sequence. Clear? So how many types of reactions are involved? Fatigue reaction involved, and decarboxylation reaction, Kenizero reaction involved, and decarboxylation reaction involved, and reaction with PbR3, and final step is nucleophilic substitution, hydride ion, that is nucleophile. Understood? So this is very important reaction sequence. So what is the final answer? 84 grams. So thank you so much.